Hi guys, so we are starting the way in Bournemouth train station and Bournemouth Coach station. So basically, neither way you are coming by bus or by train, you will arrive to this place. We started here and then we will walk to the beach and to the town centre. It's very close. We are now in the southwestern rail station. Let's go to London terminals. So it's 55. You press here to pay and then just tap here the card for the train or contactless here. You have to put the card tickets. This is the first view that you have from Bournemouth. Can you see there? There is the student accommodation. There where it says Skyline is a very nice restaurant. I will show you how is the coach station. So in the coach station you have National Express. That's the only one. So what you have to do is you go to the National Express website and you can buy the ticket to arrive to either Poole or to the Bournemouth Coach station. That is this one. What I'm doing is to touch to buy tickets and then choose. So you have single or return. We have a specific time and day to return. So let's put that we're going today. The closest one, same day return, another day or open return. Let's choose some day. The same day, 2 adults, and then the prices. All of them are 39 at the moment, so I can choose this one. And then okay. 39 again. 81 for fully flexible fare. It means that if you cancel or if you want to change it, you can do it. If you pay by card, you have here contactless, where you can just put the card inside, or coins. In here you have the note. It's funny because I have been living here for around 4 years, and now I know that the coach that is going to London is the 035. I'm not English native, so how I pronounce this is Poole Quay, but actually the name is Poole Quay.
So from here you can know how to get into the Bournemouth town.
This is one of the fanciest places in Bournemouth where to live if you are a student. You have here the East Cliff Church. Just right after you have the Student Housing Company. We are now in Holdershurst Road. We have to go Unisys. Is that thing that you can see there? We have the Homeland House, the first thing that you see when you arrive here. I like to go this way because in here you can see different places where the students are living, but we're going to take this way because this is the easier way just to go to the beach.
And this is one of the arts from the university. In each corner you'll find the north, east, south and west side. Very safety place. There's cameras in all the alleys.
You can use this way to come by bicycle if you want it, or you can use stairs.
It's one of common buses. We got yellow bus and more bus, which is the blue one. This is gonna take you anywhere in Bournemouth and Poole. This is the way you can pay. You can pay contactless, coins, club keys, and iPhones or Androids. Mini supermarket. There's also Starbucks if you love coffee. This is Inferno and the old fire station. It used to be a fire station before and now it's a nightclub. There's another nightclub. It's called Bomber Bunker, an underground nightclub. the Christopher Creek. It is Weatherspoon. It's a very famous spot all of them.
Okay, that's the Lansdowne roundabout. You have the college here, the college, Bournemouth and Poole, and now we are just a few minutes to the beach. As I mentioned before, I'm taking this way, that is the best way to go there. Royal Bath Hotel. It's a very nice place. From there you can see the beach. It's just right there. So we took 20 minutes to walk through all this way from the coach station. I don't know if you saw it before, but there it was a petrol station. If you're coming by car, you can just park here, but I will not recommend it because, as you can see, it's always full. All this is the Bournemouth Beach. So you can walk all this way, you will be in here, you can find Boston, and over here you can go even to Sandbanks. This is the street food corner. Now they have crepes, and that's the pavilion. It's a theater. We're in the gardens.
Well, this is the end of our trip showing Bournemouth. We are now in the town square.
Basically, this is the town center. The wares from there, you have Halo. Those are very emblematic places for.
So we have here cinemas, restaurant, pubs, banks, everything you need.
So later on, we will show you what's the next. But first of all, you have to subscribe, you have to like it, and you have to watch our next videos. You can see it over here. So, bye.